The Journey of James, a motivational story of a car driver. James had always been passionate about cars. As a child, he would spend hours watching his father work under the hood of their old sedan. While other kids dreamed of becoming doctors or engineers, James knew he wanted to work with cars. But life had different plans, and he found himself taking up the role of a car driver to make ends meet. James lived in a small town and worked for a transportation company. His job was simple: pick up passengers, deliver goods, and ensure the vehicles were in good condition. Many viewed his profession as menial, but James approached his work with pride and determination. He believed every job, no matter how small, was an opportunity to learn and grow. The turning point. One day, James was tasked with driving a prominent businessman, Mr. Richardson, to a nearby city. It was a 10-hour journey, and James prepared meticulously. He cleaned the car until it shone, checked every mechanical part, and packed snacks and water for the trip. When Mr. Richardson entered the car, he was impressed by James's professionalism. During the journey, Mr. Richardson noticed something unique about James. Unlike other drivers, James spoke with a sense of wisdom and passion. They discussed life, challenges, and dreams. James shared how he aspired to start his own taxi business one day, offering premium services to customers. Mr. Richardson, intrigued by James's ambition, asked, "Why haven't you started yet?" James hesitated before replying, "I've been saving, but it's tough. Expenses keep piling up, and sometimes I doubt if I'll ever make it." Mr. Richardson looked at James and said, "Dreams are like seeds. They need care, patience, and belief to grow. If you're willing to work hard, nothing can stop you." The lesson of perseverance. Those words stayed with James. From that day onward, he began to see his job not just as a means of survival but as a stepping stone toward his goal. He started saving more diligently, cutting unnecessary expenses, and learning everything he could about the taxi business. He read books about entrepreneurship, watched videos, and even attended workshops on customer service. James also began to improve his driving services. He treated every passenger like royalty, ensuring they felt comfortable and valued. Soon, word spread about the driver who cared. People started requesting James specifically for long journeys. One day, a regular customer, Mrs. Dawson, handed James an envelope as a token of appreciation. Inside was a note that read, "Your dedication inspires me. This is a small contribution to your dream." Along with the note was a check for $500. Touched by her kindness, James realized how much his hard work was beginning to pay off, not just financially, but in the trust and goodwill he was building. Overcoming obstacles. Despite his progress, the road wasn't always smooth. There were days when James felt overwhelmed. Once, his car broke down in the middle of nowhere, and he had to walk miles to get help. Another time, a competitor spread false rumors about him, trying to tarnish his reputation. But James refused to give up. He reminded himself of Mr. Richardson's words and focused on his vision. With time, James's savings grew, and so did his confidence. He started networking with other drivers, learning about their challenges and successes. Slowly, a clear plan began to form in his mind. The leap of faith. After 5 years of relentless effort, James finally took the plunge. Using his savings and a small loan, he purchased a second-hand luxury car and started his own taxi service, Prestige Rides. His unique selling point was simple: offer a 5-star experience at affordable rates. James ensured his car was always spotless, stocked with refreshments, and equipped with free Wi-Fi. He wore a formal uniform and greeted every customer with a warm smile. His attention to detail and passion for excellence quickly set him apart from competitors. Within a year, Prestige rides became the most sought-after taxi service in the town. Customers raved about James's professionalism and personalized service. He soon expanded his fleet, hiring drivers who shared his vision and values. The ripple effect. James's journey didn't just change his life, it inspired others in the community. Young drivers started looking up to him, seeking advice on how to improve their skills and grow their careers. James began mentoring them, sharing his story and teaching them the importance of hard work, persistence, and customer care. One day, James received an invitation to speak at a local event about entrepreneurship. Standing on the stage, he reflected on how far he had come, from a struggling driver to a successful business owner. He shared his story, emphasizing the power of dreams and the importance of never giving up. The legacy. Today, James is not just a successful entrepreneur but also a symbol of hope in his community. His story proves that no dream is too big and no job is too small. What matters is the passion and dedication you bring to your work. James's journey is a reminder that success is not about where you start but where you're willing to go. With determination, perseverance, and belief in oneself, even the most ordinary beginnings can lead to extraordinary outcomes.